welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and this week I have decided to post one braid tutorial or technique per day. So if you like this video and these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I should note that these braids are just for technique purposes. I think that you really need to understand the hand movements and how to braid before you can kind of learn how to do it on yourself. So if you'd like to see how I'd actually style each one of these braids, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. This next braid is a fishtail braid. So you're going to separate the hair into 2 equal pieces, like this. And then you're going to take a small section, I just kind of pop my finger through, and twist a little bit over to the other side, the left side, and hold on to it. I'm going to do the same thing over here. It doesn't really matter the section size. I mean, the smaller you do it, the tighter your braid will end up being. But I kind of like a loose braid. So and then you're just going to keep repeating. So a little section, twist over, another section, twist over, and you're going to repeat this until you get all the way to the bottom. This is the completed fishtail.